Okay, hey guys, what's up? How you doing? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Mutsa Mwale, and if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I do most fashion videos, hauls, makeup, some story time, a bit of this and that. So if you like to see my face, please don't forget to subscribe, girl. So let's just get into the video. Alright, so I'm just gonna be picking up things randomly. This is a fashion haul. So the first thing that I'm gonna show you, I bought this like a while ago. I've been looking for pants like this for a while now. Oh, look at these. They're like pinstripe, if you can see that. I really love this. They've got a small waist. They're like colored trouser kind of thing, and look at them. They're so amazing. I wore them on a picture that I posted wearing. Let me post it. Wearing this Vogue t-shirt. I've got two of these. I don't know where the other one is, but this Vogue t-shirt, I'm gonna leave a phone number down below. I got it from my friend called Michelle. She's doing these Vogue t-shirts. They're so amazing. And the pants, I got them in town. I'm gonna leave down the address, but I don't think they still have this because this was the last pair. I had to rush home and go back there so that I could just get these pair. Oh, I love this, and it's so stretchy. Guys, I don't like things that are not stretchy because I'm a thick person, so I like stretchy stuff. And I actually bought this when I was my heaviest weight, and I had to leave it for a while till I could wear it. So yeah. So the next things that I got from Zara. I went to Zara at Sam Levy. You all know I love that place. So I got these pins. I've posted them on my Instagram. I think I've worn them 3 times now. This red, and it's got a nice detail here. They're culottes. I think culottes are just making an appearance on my channel this time. Yeah, so yeah, they're so cute, and they're high-waisted. I love high-waisted things. They've got a little stretch, not so much, but a little, but then they fit perfectly. So yeah, these are amazing. These are my favorite pins of the month. So the next thing that I got from Zara, I'm not much of a person who wears mini stuff, but then I was going through my Instagram and I saw lots of thick ladies who were wearing little short dresses, and I thought, you know what, I might as well try it. So I went to Zara and I bought this dress. So it's what do you call it, tweed? I don't know, and it's got a nice collar. It's got that Amish kind of style that Chris Kardashian usually wears. So yeah, I posted what's it called, what do you call it, I posted a blog post wearing this, and I was talking about how I was walking. Okay, what was I talking about? Oh my god, I don't know what I was talking about. Okay, I was talking about being married and being 26 and trying to wear short stuff and not trying to look like a teenager again. So yeah, okay, so the details here, let me come closer. Ooh, I don't know if you can see that. These details are just amazing. I love this. This one's gone now. I bought this suit from Boohoo. So Boohoo is it's UK based online store. It sells very cheap clothes that are nice and amazing. So this is velvet. Yeah, it's a velvet suit. Oh my god. know if you can see that. It's a velvet suit. It's so amazing. and it's got this pant. The pants are like tights, but they've got pockets and all that, so they're like straight pants. Yeah, this is what they look like at the bottom. They're high-waisted, they've got a bit of a stretch, and I got this in a size UK 12, and they fit amazingly. What can I say? This is amazing, guys. I can't wait to wear it. I'm waiting for like a midnight event that I can wear this suit to, and I wanted to get like a nice crop top for inside, but then I'm still trying to find that here. So yeah, I really love this. And guys, I got this for £4. It was on a sale, like it was £8, and then I had like a 50% coupon, and then it was £4. So still, for the whole set, guys, that's amazing. So the Zara things, the skirt and also the pants were going for $20 each, but I don't know now with the change of prices and stuff like that, how much will it be? Will it be like $20 or would they bring it down to be like $10? I don't know. I just hope they bring it down to $10 because $10 is doable, but 20, no. So okay, so when I was going for driving lessons. Oh yeah, I got my license, guys. When I was going for driving lessons, I just used to go to, you know, that place where they Cindy's Fashion Corner, like right in there. There's a little shop there are little like different shops that are in there, and I just used to like pick out stuff. So I picked out this dress. Oh, this is hard to show. So it's a little dress that's it's not really my style. Like I told you, I'm not up for like mini skirts, but then I saw this and I thought this was amazing. Look at this. Look at this. This is amazing, and it's quite short. Oh god, I can't wait to rock this. I think I'm gonna rock this at a wedding or something like that, and then I'll put on like my Perplex heels. So yeah, this was going for $25 Eco Cash. I don't know about it now. So in the same shop I got this. I wore this on my, I think I've got a picture on Instagram that I had this. I didn't see. Oh my god, it's like okay, it's so big. What drew me to this thing was the color. I don't have things that are in this color. I don't know what you call this color. Looks orange on my camera. I don't know. So yeah, it's an overall. What you call it? I don't know. I don't remember the name. Sure, guys. It's like that thing that you put on top and then you'll see it in the picture. So. So the next thing I got is from divalicious. You guys know that I'm like a brand ambassador for divalicious. So I got this dress. Oh, look at this. Oh my god, I got this dress. Like, this is like my type of thing, the bodycon dresses that are midi and stuff like that. So I got this amazing little thing, and yeah. The one problem is that I don't know what bra I can wear this with, because like the back is so out there and the bra part is a bit low. So please put down information down below of what bra I can wear with this. Seriously, help me. I've got so many spaghetti tops that I recently bought, so I really don't know what bra I can wear it with. And the bra that I usually wear it with is like a strapless, but I kind of feel like the strapless just make the babies go down. I don't know. Maybe I'm buying the wrong thing. I don't know. So I went to my favorite place to shop, which is Avondale Flea Market, and they had the most amazing thing. Like, you guys know that snack print is in fashion now, so look at this. This is amazing. I saw this and I thought, you know what, I'm not going to leave it like at all, and I didn't, because you know what, we'll make it work, because it's really a big t-shirt. It's like an size 14, and I'm a size 12. Ish, I'm a size 12 now, guys. It's weird. I can't wait to go back to size 10. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I've been wearing this like 1,000 times. It's just that I haven't taken a photo, and every time I try to take a photo, I don't know what happens. So yeah, this is it. I'm gonna show you how I wear it and how I like make it work. So guys, this come to an end of my haul. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video and comment down below. I really like reading your comments, and I like replying your comments. And also don't forget to go on my Instagram channel. Oh my god, don't forget to go on my Instagram page. I post every other day on Instagram, and I'm about to get to 10k, so please go and follow my Instagram. Let's get to 10k, guys. So later.